When you search for the best Sunny Sf-Rw5515 rowing machine, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, MERACH Magnetic Rowing Machine. First up is the MERACH Magnetic Rowing Machine, priced at $189.98. What caught my attention is its claim to offer a smooth and quiet rowing experience, which is a big deal if you live in close quarters with others. If you want a cost-effective option for efficient workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a dual slide rail that is designed to be stable and prevents flipping while you row. With a 350-pound weight capacity, it can accommodate a wide range of users, making it suitable for almost anyone. The app compatibility is also a standout, allowing you to track your workout data like distance, calories burned, and heart rate right from your phone. The 16 levels of magnetic resistance mean you can easily adjust the intensity to match your fitness level. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions, most users find they can put it together within 30 minutes. So if you're someone who isn't handy, it might take a bit longer, but it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly rowing machine that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you need something super compact, as it does take up a bit more space than others. But for the price, it offers great value. Now, if MERACH's assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on ease of use. Product number 2, Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine. Next, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine, priced at $399.99. This one caught my eye because it promises a full-body workout with its extra-long 50-inch rail. If you want a robust option that targets all major muscle groups, this is worth a serious look. What sets this machine apart is its whisper-quiet dual-rail system. It features 16 levels of ultra-quiet magnetic resistance, meaning you can work out without disturbing anyone around you. Plus, the free SunnyFit app allows for tracking workouts and accessing over 1,000 trainer-led sessions, which is perfect for staying motivated. With a maximum user weight of 300 pounds, it's built to last and can handle intense workouts. However, some users have mentioned that the seat could be more comfortable for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're doing short to moderate workouts, it should be just fine. But if you plan on long sessions, you might want to consider adding a cushion. This is perfect for you if you're serious about building strength and enjoy guided workouts. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but if you can invest a little more, it offers excellent features for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact storage. Product number 3, Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Adjustable Rowing Machine. Coming in at $129.49, the Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Adjustable Rowing Machine is a steal. I was drawn in by its lightweight design, making it easy to store. If you're short on space but still want a full-body workout, this is worth a serious look. This rower offers 12 levels of hydraulic resistance, making it suitable for users at all fitness levels. It engages all major muscle groups, targeting legs, glutes, back, and core, while ensuring a low-impact experience. Plus, it's ultra-quiet, so you won't have to worry about noisy workouts disturbing others in your home. The integrated device holder lets you enjoy your favorite shows while rowing. But some users reported that it might feel less sturdy compared to larger models. Here's the deal, if you have a lighter build or are just starting, you'll find it adequate. But for heavier users, it may not feel as secure during intense workouts. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet functional rowing machine that's easy to store. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty option, as it might not hold up under strenuous use. Overall, it provides excellent value for the price. Now, if you're after something that feels more premium, the next product could be what you need. Product number 4, Sunny Health and Fitness Core Strengthening Rowing Machine. Next up is the Sunny Health and Fitness Core Strengthening Rowing Machine, priced at $209.99. This caught my attention because it's designed for a low-impact yet effective cardio workout. If you want something that focuses on core engagement, this is worth a serious look. This model features 8 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. The durable steel construction supports users up to 285 pounds and ensures it'll last through your workouts. Plus, the foldable design makes it easy to store away when not in use, which is a huge bonus. However, some users found the monitor a bit difficult to read during workouts. Here's the thing, as long as you set it up correctly before beginning, it shouldn't be a major issue. But if you're someone who relies heavily on real-time data, it might not be ideal. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a user-friendly machine that promotes mobility and low-impact exercise. Skip this if you prefer high-intensity workouts, as it's not built for that. Still, it's a solid value for those focused on their core and overall fitness. Now, if you want something with a bit more versatility, check out the next product. Product number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Compact 360 Degrees Full Motion Rower. Last but not least is the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Compact 360 Degrees Full Motion Rower, priced at $199.99. What impressed me is its unique ability to mimic a natural rowing form with 360-degree motion. If you want a truly dynamic workout, this is worth a serious look. The 12 levels of smooth resistance allow you to adjust the intensity easily. What's cool is that it connects with the Sunny Fit app to track your progress and offers a realistic rowing simulation. The padded seat and non-slip handlebars provide extra comfort and stability during workouts. Some users noted that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the workout experience is fantastic and well worth any initial confusion. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile machine that offers a full-body workout. Skip this if you prefer simpler designs, as it might take a bit more time to set up. Overall, it brings great features at a reasonable price. So to sum up, the MERACH magnetic rowing machine is the budget-friendly choice, while the Sunny Health and Fitness magnetic rowing machine offers a more robust option for serious training. The compact adjustable rowing machine is perfect for small spaces, and the core strengthening model is designed for those focused on low-impact workouts. Finally, the 360 degrees full motion rower provides a dynamic experience for those looking for versatility. Each offers unique advantages based on your needs, so think about what matters most to you.